And a group of 19 members of US Congress has urged President Trump to take immediate steps to repair America's strained relationship with India and to reverse his administration's harmful tariff policies. In a letter that has been shot off by the members have warned that the president's recent tariff hikes, which raised duties on Indian goods to as high as 50%, have undermined relations with India and hurt both American consumers as well as the manufacturers. Remember, the ties took a downward trend as and when US announced 50% hikes on the import duty. Since then, many in the US are complaining about the policies that Trump claims will make America great again will not so result in that. And now, Mr. Donald Trump is facing heat back home. The US Congress members are only urging him to rethink of his policies towards India, and as India continues to be an important ally of the United States, that Mr. Trump needs to think more carefully and tread this path more cautiously as he plans to continue strengthening the relationship between the two countries, which are one among the highest trading partners, as well as continue to boost more relationship in matters of ties, projects and the upcoming relations as far as the geopolitical relations are concerned. And now in this letter, the members have warned that the president's recent tariff hikes, which raised duties on Indian goods to be as high as 50%, have undermined relations with India and are not only hurting American consumers, but also people who are trying to sell their products in manufacturers, be it the consumers in America, all of them are getting impacted. So are these policies really making America great again is the question that many are questioning as the US president continues to give out more stringent actions and steps towards India. And my colleague Priyanka Deo is joining me from the US. Priyanka, to highlight this relationship that has taken downward trend between India and US, and now how the US Congress members are coming against and forward against US President Donald Trump.
Basically, I feel that negotiations are still going on. Trump and Modi have both said that we are still friends. With that being said, if you look at it from the US's perspective, it is incredibly hard for the US to penetrate into India's market. And that is something that Trump is trying to do because India is a rising superpower. But you know what? The impact is on ground. So all of these officials and government officials now are taking it to Trump's attention because they feel that half of it is to kind of appease his base, not really for the welfare and the bipartisanship of both countries. As a result, on ground, a lot of Indian Americans are facing flack, right? A lot of people on ground, a lot of citizens, a lot of people that contribute to the economy in the US are being asked, what is going on? What do you have to do with it? And these are very personal questions that are going on ground. We'll see what happens. They've taken it to Trump. Let's see if Trump responds. There's quite a few of them on that letter. So let's see what they do. And we're all waiting for next steps ahead. But basically, I still feel that trade negotiations are ongoing. They're ongoing at a very high level. We should see some sort of agreement, if not the full thing, maybe a partial agreement by the end of this year. Right. The good thing out of all of this is that it is an active negotiation going on. It is not something that will go on and on and on.